Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video from the Reload 3-port wall charger, 100 watts in total. So I bought it in Action. It also comes with one cable, a USB-C cable. So yeah, that's it. So we are going to unbox this now. I never did this, so I'm not sure how you do that, but we'll give it a try. So I just do it open like that, voila, and take out that. As you can see here in the box is some kind of manual. So we are going to talk about this later, and then we go to the product itself. So it's quite easy. It's very easy. We are already inside of it. So this is the cable, USB-C cable, as you can see. I think it's yeah, for 100 watts. Voila, 5 amperage, 100 watts. So it can completely pull the electricity, the power. And then you have the power supply itself. So the USB-A goes to 22.5 watts, but that's normal because the USB is built for that. And then you have the USB-C here, 100 watts each max. So this is the wall charger. It's a little bit, you feel weight. It's not that heavy, but you feel there is some weight inside of it. So I like it when things have some weight. This mostly means that the product is from some quality. I want to tell you, if you want to subscribe to my channel, we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win, you get notified. So please subscribe, and if you like this video, also please like it. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of electronics, computers, screens, printers. We have all kind of things that we will give away. You only have to subscribe. So here you see the manual. Yeah, the manual tells the same. The USB-C ports, the two USB-C ports go to 100 watts, and then the USB-A port is limited to 22.5 watts. There is nothing more into it. There's many languages here. I think over 10 languages, but it's only just one small field. So I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.